It's October, which means time to decorate for Halloween. Today I'm going to take this window and turn it into a shadow box for this pumpkin decoration I found. I picked up this screen track from the local hardware store. I'm going to use it to hold up this tarp so I can black out this room and isolate the scene for the rest of the world. My plan is to cut this track and make a border around the window and then use this spline just like you would with the screen to hold the black plastic in place. I'll be making a loose border around the window because it's all going to be covered up by plastic anyway, and ultimately by this curtain too. This is my first attempt using screen rails to create this kind of an effect. I usually use tacks just pushed into the walls, but those often fall out and I end up stepping on them. I'm also hoping that with a more secure seal, my cats won't get in there and ruin the decorations like they've done in the past. I want the option to close these blinds and hide the display, so that's why I've mounted the rails on the outside of the window. If you mount them on the inside of the window though, you can make it a little bit more dark environment. To hold up my pumpkin, I'm going to be using these bins. You can use anything, you're just going to cover it up and your audience won't see it. Since we're going to be bringing the plastic tarp out and around our display, we want to make sure that we have enough. So I'm going to go ahead and attach one side of the plastic tarp, then place some bins with my display and kind of bring it around so that I can measure from there. Here we have a rough idea of how the shadow box is going to look. I'm going to add some fabric in to cut down on the glare from the plastic. Since Halloween decorations are usually observed at night, it doesn't have to be perfect. A lot of the flaws will be hidden by the darkness. Now I'm going to take both of these sheets and put them back in that track. This time the velvet's going to be facing toward the window underneath the black plastic. You can see how the velvet alone allows light to pass through it. Since the track that I used has two channels, I put the velvet in the first channel and I'm going to put the plastic in the outside channel. Now that the background is done, the next part is to build the scene.